So what have I been up to since my last video? Um, I said that I would be working on my game more, the game that I'm trying to make. And so you're probably curious, how did that go? The answer is good, I guess. Yeah, I didn't actually do any work on it since the last time I talked about it, but that's okay. Well, that's debatable. But what have I been doing instead is the important question. And the answer to that is mining for Monero. That's what's new with me. Yeah, I thought that seems kind of cool. How do I do that? And so I tried to get it working, and it took me up until, just today to kind of get it all figured out. But luckily I do have it all figured out, I think. But yeah, I just downloaded the Monero Wallet GUI, installed it, went through the process. After I got the node set up, I tried to mine, and solo mining was working fine, but I have a slow computer, so it wasn't going to be very successful if I tried to do that. So I was trying to mine under P2Pool, and that was not working. That was giving me a lot of trouble. Turns out some like flag I was missing, ZMG or something like that. But I had to add that to my Damian settings. This is all, honestly, I don't really understand myself. But anyways, Damian settings, I had to update the flag, got P2Pool working. My hash rate was really low, so I thought, oh, I'll switch to XMRig, which I read was faster. And yeah, it was, but it turns out that it was only faster because it was just destroying my CPU, like 100% capacity on all cores. And I couldn't fix that. I tried to fix the config.json file, but it just kept on overwriting it. Big problem. So how did I solve it? I didn't. I kind of just gave up, for lack of a better word. And because that's exactly what it did. But yeah, I switched back to the Monero GUI because I figured I'm getting like basically the same hash rate and for half the CPU capacity. So that's what I'm doing right now. I finally got my first share, but yeah, my computer is so stinking slow that I don't know if it'll be in the PPNL window. These cryptocurrency words, they all sound very weird to say, but yeah, the PPNL window, I think it's long enough. I'm mining under Nano, so I think it's long enough that hopefully the share that I currently have will fit within the next block. But free electricity, so it's like a numbers game, you know? Just kind of have to wait. So what's next? I don't know, Monero, I'm giving up on that basically. That took, well, it didn't take that much effort, but the fun part was getting it set up. Now that I have it set up, it's kind of boring. But yeah, I'm gonna move back to working on my game and actually get some progress in.